Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Shah and you are watching weekly market analysis by FinLearn Academy. So in this video, we are going to talk about how the Nifty was and what are the key levels for the Nifty in a coming time and sector specific momentum, how the sector is behaving right now and stock of the week. So stay tuned till end and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. So this is the end of financial year, fourth quarter, month and the week. So let's see the performance on a different time scales. So in this quarter, Nifty is down by 4%. So January, February, March, Nifty down by the 4%. On the monthly chart, if we see the market is mildly up, there is a 0.32% up. And on the candlesticks perspective, it has formed the very perfect doji candle, which is a sign of indecisiveness. And on the weekly chart, Nifty is up by 2.5%, thanks to the tax harvesting which happens at the every financial year. So because of that, we have seen a very good upside momentum. One of the reasons we can see. Now coming to the market prospect for the coming time, if we see this particular declining momentum that has happened, so almost 11% around the declining momentum happened from past 3 weeks. Index was forming some sorts of base around this level, and this base has some sorts of value because the last time the Nifty has taken the support level exactly at the 16,800 level. In the history also, it has the many reversals points attached around these levels. So 16,800 level is very important level, and market is starting to pick up its momentum. On the daily chart, what happened is that after testing the 16,800 level, there was a lots of bullish reversal sign like a hammer pattern that has happened. But eventually, what happened? Market has broken its immediate resistance level of 17,200 level, which is a short-term positive development. So prices can have a little bit further extension on the high side, and the next best resistance that we see is around 17,500 level, because this is a long-term moving average resistance that we can see. And on the Japanese candle also, we see that many turning points were around this level. So some of the turning points around the minor resistance level is there, but that is what a 7,500 level. But the ultimate resistance level from the medium term perspective, if we have to see, then it is on a 17,700 to 17,800 level. Moving above the 17,700 level, 800 level, it is in a structurally change for the market, we can say. Then we can say that the market is officially under the bullish trend. As of now, of course, the 16,800 level has acted a good support level. Earlier we used to have the sideways to negative view kind of thing. Now many of the moving averages started to pick up its momentum, and stock has also exhibited the strength by moving above the resistance level. So it is turning to be the short-term positive side. The first level is the 17,500 level. Then afterwards, 17,700 level, 800 is the level. On the downside, 16,800 is a very good support level, but if it is getting breached, then the next best support level comes at around 16,400 level to 500 level, because here we can see the orange color line, and from 2016 this particular line is acting as a very strong support level for it. So 6,300 level, below to that is what a 6,300 level, but underlying tone is in a positive. We still expect some sorts of more moves in the market. In this week, all the sector has ended on the positive side. Let's see the data. We are looking at all the indices of the NSE, and the top performance that we are seeing from the PSU bank. So after the good amount of the selling pressure in a previous week that we have witnessed in the banking stock, a little bit underperformance that we have seen. So there it is coming out, and prices are flourishing back. So PSU banks up by 4%, private banking stocks are up by 3% kind of thing. Nifty IT, which has been under the strongest selling pressure in the past 2 weeks, so it has also started to pick up its momentum so well. So these are the leading sectors of this particular week, we can see. If I see the least amount of the performance as well, so that is from the NIS and mid cap and large caps and mid caps. So that is a 0.14% up, the least the performed sector, followed by the media and consumer. But the thing is that every sector has been turned out to be the positive, and these are the kind of the very good amount selling pressure that we are seeing. The media, consumer durables, consumer staples, energy, digital, but still they have managed to end it on the positive side. Technically, here one sector that comes to my mind, which has given a very good breakout on the high side, that is this sector, and many of the its and counter stocks are also performing quite well. Leading stock, not all, but here if we see the prices, so there is a certain good breakout on the day witnessing. Its structure was already fine, but then it has taken the support level of a long-term moving averages, and today it has broken the falling trend line. So it is a bullish continuation sign that we are witnessing into this. So these are the kind of couple of the stocks that we need to look at. From a stock specific, we are going to discuss about the Zydus Life. We can see that as of now, the pharma and FMCG stocks, the kind of defensive sectors that have started to pick up its momentum. So we are choosing a stock which has been in the defensive stock, and it has outperformed their respective indices as well. So here is the Zydus Life on the monthly chart. We can see that structurally it has been under the northward directions. Prices has collapsed some months ago, but after declining heavily, prices has taken a support at a positional moving average and formed a base for a couple of months. We have seen the breakout from this level, and slowly, steadily, we are seeing the rising momentum right now. On the weekly chart, prices has formed a kind of a rounding bottom pattern, we can say. This is what the rounding bottom that has formed. Prices has formed the rounding bottom. This is a cup and handle pattern also, we can say. The cup and this handle breakout happened, prices has taken a support, retested this level, and after the kind of consolidation patch, prices has given the major breakout. So from past previous week, these are the resistance level, or in a recent time also, these are the resistance level. Prices has given the breakout above this level. Short-term moving averages and long-term moving averages are slanting on the positive side. So that is a major development that we can consider. So on the higher time frame chart, it helps us for the decision making purpose, where we can understand the stock. Okay, fine, it is looking quite good and it is given the breakout. Now on the daily chart, if I see, just to trade positioning perspective, where I can put my stop loss and where I can put my target. So the current market price, as it is breakout, so current market price we can consider the immediate low from where the price has started to pick up its momentum. So it is like a 275 or a 475 to 470 level, which is a moving average support level as well. So below to this level, I can consider as my stop loss. So there is a 15 rupees risk we can say into this. And on the high side, the stock has an immediate resistance level around this level, so which was acted as a resistance. So still it comes at around 535. So there is a good room from current market price to immediate resistance levels, and stop loss is also in comfortable level. So here it makes us the kind of a beautiful setup to look forward in a coming week. So whatever the discussions that we did for the market sector, for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.